Hello, and in this video we're going to cover the installation of an MRA Double Bubble Screen for a GSX-R1000 2012 to 2015. We bought ours from bikehps.com and it arrived nicely packaged, safe and sound. First step is remove the old screen. After removing the 4 normal screws, you then have to loosen off the wing mirrors. Easily done. Once you've got the screen out, you then have to take these black grommets out of the holes. It's a wee bit fiddly, but a bit of perseverance and a bit of thumb strength and they soon pop out. Leave the ones in situ on the wing mirrors. Then fit the black grommets back onto the new screen. Two at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next, fit the new screen, making sure you line up all the ball holes. Then it's simply a matter of screwing it all back in place. Once the screws are done, tighten up the nuts on the wing mirrors. It really is as easy as that, folks. And the double bubble gives it not only a good look, but gives you plenty more protection than the original.